If you're navigating the crowded world of fitness apps, Fitbod stands out as a personalized strength training companion that adapts to your goals, equipment, and progress. But with a subscription model and a plethora of features, is it truly worth your investment in 2025? Let's delve into the details. What is Fitbod? Fitbod is a strength training app that leverages AI to generate personalized workout plans. Available on both iOS and Android platforms, it caters to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts from beginners to seasoned athletes. The app considers your fitness goals, available equipment, and workout history to craft routines that evolve with you. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or enhance general fitness, Fitbod adapts accordingly. Key features: AI-driven workouts. Fitbod's algorithm designs workouts based on your past sessions, ensuring balanced muscle group targeting and progressive overload. Equipment customization. Specify the equipment you have access to, be it a full gym setup or just body weight, and Fitbod tailors exercises to match. Exercise library. Access over 0 exercises, each accompanied by high-resolution, multi-angle videos and detailed instructions. Integration capabilities. Sync with Apple Health, Strava, Fitbit, and Apple Watch for comprehensive tracking. Progress tracking. Monitor your improvements over time with detailed analytics and personal best milestones. User experience. Users often praise Fitbod for its intuitive interface and adaptability. The app's ability to adjust workouts based on muscle recovery and user feedback ensures that routines remain challenging yet attainable. For instance, after each workout, you're prompted to rate the difficulty, allowing the app to fine-tune future sessions. Additionally, the option to replace or modify exercises on the fly caters to individual preferences and limitations. Pricing. Fitbod offers a free trial, typically allowing access to 3 workouts. Post-trial, the subscription options are: monthly plan, $15.99 per month. Annual plan, $95.99 per year, approximately $8 per month. While some users find the pricing steep compared to competitors, many justify the cost with the app's comprehensive features and personalized approach. Pros and cons. Pros: highly personalized workout plans that adapt over time. Extensive exercise library with clear demonstrations. Seamless integration with popular fitness trackers and apps. User-friendly interface suitable for various fitness levels. Cons: subscription cost may be a barrier for some users. Limited free access post-trial. Some advanced lifters may desire more specialized programming. User feedback. Feedback from users is predominantly positive. Many appreciate the app's ability to eliminate the guesswork from workout planning. However, some advanced users note that while Fitbod is excellent for general strength training, it may lack the depth required for specialized bodybuilding routines. Is Fitbod worth it? For individuals seeking a structured, adaptable, and user-friendly strength training app, Fitbod offers substantial value. Its AI-driven approach ensures workouts remain challenging and aligned with your goals. While the subscription cost is a consideration, the personalized experience and comprehensive features often justify the investment. Final verdict. If you're committed to enhancing your strength training regimen with a tailored approach, Fitbod is a worthy companion in your fitness journey.